Everyone gets a sore throat sometimes, but could yours mean something more serious? Let's find out. Throat cancer can start in your voice box, tonsils, or the back of your throat. The early signs are often missed, so watch out for hoarseness that won't go away, a sore throat that lasts more than a few weeks, trouble swallowing, ear pain, a lump in your neck, or sudden weight loss. Smoking, heavy drinking, and HPV infections are the main causes. Remember, catching it early makes all the difference. If your symptoms stick around, don't ignore them. See your doctor. Like and follow for more simple health facts.